Welcome to Lesson Craft Studio. In this video today we're going to be showing you how to use our worksheet generator app and some of the specific features that are specific for this particular app. Let's go ahead immediately to puzzle configuration and see that you can choose the difficulty level. We start with very easy, which means that each puzzle will have only 2 symbols. The number of exercises would be 4, and let's choose a topic right now. Let's see, it will be desserts and sweets, and by pressing on create button, it creates you a new worksheet with your desired elements for puzzles and very easy difficulty level. Now, as always, we can work with some things and design them the way we want. We can align and adjust. We can select the whole column and move as columns, or we could select rows and move them as rows, or you see this little equality button which would align the 2 boxes together so they're aligned perfectly. And that would look great on your created page. You can also choose the operation mode. It could be addition, subtraction, or both. So let's look at what happens if we choose both. You see that there are some things with minus, some with pluses. And let's maybe choose a different difficulty level. Let's do it the medium, which means that each exercise will have 3 symbols this time, which makes it a bit more difficult, of course, but more interesting also. We can choose a different maybe topic, like dinosaurs, for example, and if we are working with some elements on our worksheet, we should remember to lock the elements which are in a different behind level, because if we don't, we might by accident actually grab and move something we don't want to move at the moment. And after putting them in a place that we want, and with the help of our contextual toolbox, we actually can make it look perfect now. You remember that you can add and delete everything you want, like text, and place anything anywhere on a page. Let's try to see what happens if we choose the hard level. Hard level would include 4 symbols, and if we could still have it in addition and subtraction. There's also a button which shows allow negative results, because since we're choosing a difficult level, it could be a minus at the end. And let's look at both worksheet and answer key. They look great. Let's look at maybe addition and subtraction, useful theme. We generate the worksheet, generate the answer key. Next thing that you can actually be changing is minimum value and maximum value. Since we're already at the hard level, let's make it even harder and start with the minimum value of 5. So there won't be any addition or subtraction of 1, 2, 3, and 4 on it. But we start with 5. And the last thing that we actually can change is, you see inside of these little boxes with exercises, it says puzzle 1 and puzzle 2. If you want, you can even change that, and instead of puzzle, be written like exercise. And maybe you are doing it regularly, and now you're not at 1 and 2, but you actually at exercise 5. So it would give you an option to change the starting number of exercise. So here you go. You have created exactly however you want it, and now you can just go ahead, download it,